In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join any online class without a code on Google Meet. Let's dive right in and explore the various methods you can use to access a Google Meet session seamlessly. First, let's understand that joining a Google Meet session without a code depends significantly on how the meeting has been set up by the host. There are multiple avenues you can take to get into a meeting without needing a special code. It's all about understanding your options and making the most of them. One of the simplest ways to join a session is via an invitation link. If the host has sent you an invitation link through email, chat, or even in a calendar event, all you need to do is click on it. No code is necessary. This method is straightforward and efficient provided you have received the link directly from the host or have access to the communication channel where it was shared. Another option is joining the meeting through a Google Calendar event. If the meeting has been scheduled via Google Calendar, make sure to check your calendar for the event. Once you find the event, click on the Join with Google Meet button and you'll be taken directly into the meeting. It's a handy feature for those who regularly use Google Calendar to manage their schedules. If you're participating in a class meeting, Google Classroom might be your go-to platform. For those enrolled in a class through Google Classroom, there's a simple way to join a meet. Visit the Google Classroom website and log into your account. Navigate to the class for which the meeting is scheduled and you'll find the Meet link in the header section. This link provides direct access to the Google Meet session associated with that particular class. It's essential to be aware that if a meeting is restricted, joining becomes a bit more challenging. In such cases, you cannot merely enter the meeting without a code or link unless the host adds you explicitly to the meeting. This restriction is in place to ensure privacy and security for the participants, so always check with the host if you're experiencing any difficulties in joining a restricted meeting. In conclusion, joining a Google Meet session without a code can be done effortlessly if you know where to look. Whether it's using a direct invitation link, accessing the meeting through a Google Calendar event, or navigating via Google Classroom for class meetings, you have several paths to explore. Just be mindful of the meeting's restrictions, and if needed, reach out to the host for assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your Google Meet experiences more seamless and efficient.